A list of 123 Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco devices has been published in which MIUI will be replaced with the latest HyperOS Yes. There will be a lot of them. Xiaomi recently announced its new Android-based operating system called HyperOS. The new system is expected to be unveiled alongside Xiaomi's upcoming Xiaomi 14 smartphones. HyperOS is a universal operating system that offers an ecosystem for people, cars and homes. It will be more tightly integrated with other Xiaomi products and services. According to the leak, Xiaomi plans to release the HyperOS update for a wide range of smartphones and tablets. The list includes devices from lines like Xiaomi 14, Xiaomi 13T Pro, Xiaomi 12S Ultra, Poco F5 Pro, Redmi K40 and many more. In total, there are 123 devices on the list. You can read more about the list itself at the link. However, it is worth noting that this is just a leak and there is no official confirmation from Xiaomi about the compatibility of the devices with HyperOS yet.